moving on. Oh yes, I do want to talk about the mulch that I'm using. I was using a straw mulch for a while. I was going just to a farm supply store and getting like straw bales. But over time I learned that straw, if you can't find out how it was grown, it might have persistent herbicides in it that can negatively impact your garden. So I have stopped using those ones and transitioned to using this is more of a wood mulch. This I got from my city. They have like free compost and free mulch. This is, I believe, a forest mulch. I think that means that or not forest mulch, orchard mulch. I imagine that means that it came from orchards and they just mulched it. So it clumps really well, similar to how straw mulch clumps, and I really appreciate that, because that's one of the things that I really appreciated about the straw mulch, is that it wouldn't blow away in the wind. You know, like if you want to use leaves as a mulch, that's great, but sometimes they just blow away and you got a mess to clean up. So right now I really like the wood mulch. So that's another option out there if you're not 100% on board with the straw mulch. And I got this for free from my city and have mulched my whole garden with it. And if you didn't know already, mulching is one of the best ways to reduce your need for watering, because it insulates the soil and protects it from the sun and heat, and kind of maintains that moisture level, and it'll also help protect the mycorrhizal fungi in the soil. So, and that's just a few reasons among a myriad of others. Anyway, starting to ramble. So that's the mulch I'm using right now.